up, Nova Nation? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is all about setting those cozy, calm vibes as fall settles in. It's a gloomy morning, the perfect backdrop for some self-care. I'm getting my home in order, putting fresh covers on the back sofa because yes, washable slip covers are my go-to for keeping things effortlessly clean. A tidy home means less clutter, both mentally and physically. I love taking this quiet time in the morning for a bit of solitude before the day starts, so let's get into it. I like to start my mornings off with a clear mind and a clear plan. With my coffee in hand, I'm mapping out my day in my planner, from video ideas to any errands that need my attention for the day. This digital planner I purchased from Etsy, and I'll leave a link down below. It's like setting stage for a productive day, a balanced day. After going through a few emails, I shift to something more grounding. I open up my devotional and dive into today's Bible verse. There's a real peace in these moments, just me, my coffee, and a little time with God. I try to do this every morning. Not only does it help me stay focused, but it also keeps my mind calm and my heart full. Bible journaling lets me reflect and carry that intention throughout my day. It's a reminder to stay present and centered no matter what. If you're curious about Bible journaling, I'll leave a link below where I break down my full process. To me, it's the foundation of a balanced life, because when I start my day with purpose and faith, I'm ready for anything. It's been raining most of the day. It's been very gloomy, but it says it's gonna stop maybe later on this evening. Unfortunately, no pool day for me. I'll be chilling at the crib, maybe run a few errands, maybe get on the treadmill. But once it clears up, I will be still going outside and trying to do a 1-mile walk. I got my hands on 2 new Stanleys, both from the pumpkin spice collection. I grabbed the 40-ounce tumbler and 20-ounce mug, and they are just perfection. The muted orange with a soft matte finish, almost velvet-like, and that copper detailing, so dreamy. This is my first Stanley mug, and I love how it'll keep my coffee warm at home. Gorgeous, practical, and definitely a favorite for the fall season. After my unboxing, I step outside for a quick walk before the rain comes back. There's just something so refreshing about fresh air and just taking in the beauty of God's creation. I just hopped out the shower. I'm currently testing some new equipment I purchased. I'm editing my video right now. I did finish my walk, but I was like, how much more walking can I do? Because y'all, after that walk, it was only about 6,000 something steps. And I'm like, geez, getting to 10K is going to be a little bit of work. So I think I'm going to hop on my treadmill. Even though I just, took a shower, did all that stuff, I need to get to my 10K steps for the day. I'm not saying that starting this week I'm gonna hit every day perfectly, but I need to at least be trying to get to those 10,000 steps because increasing my cardio is really a prominent goal that I have for this week. So wish me luck. I've learned that self-care goes way beyond just pampering. It's about giving my body and mind exactly what it needs to stay balanced. Today's active recovery is all about refueling and resetting. I've got my Core Power poolside shaken up and ready to go, which really helps with muscle recovery after an intense week. I'm also using the pool jets for a bit of hydrotherapy. And let me tell you, the laminar jets are perfect for scalp massages. It's like having a mini spa right in my backyard. Active recovery doesn't mean doing nothing. It's an intentional mix of stretching and gentle movement to work out any lingering tension, keeps my body flexible, and helps prevent soreness, setting me up for stronger workouts ahead. Taking this time to reset is part of what makes my routine sustainable. Trust me, I definitely feel it when I don't do my active recovery routine. I'm not just showing up for myself today. I'm making sure I'll be ready to show up tomorrow too. Y'all, we getting these goals 2024 by all means necessary. This balance is what keeps me feeling centered and grounded, and honestly, it's something I'll always prioritize. I'm wrapping up my swim with a quick talk with my brother. He's always there to encourage me, and it's moments like these that remind me of how important and essential a strong support system is. Taking time for myself is definitely key, but having people around who uplift you and keep you grounded, that's next level. Solitude feeds your soul, but support keeps you steady. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing so you won't miss what's next. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!